Your cozy space deserves to feel fresh, clean, and truly dust-free. This compact yet powerful device goes beyond surface cleaning by targeting what your eyes can't see: microscopic mites, dust, and allergens hiding deep in your fabrics. With its UV sterilization and strong suction, it doesn't just clean, it purifies. Whether you're working on your mattress, sofa, or carpet, it glides smoothly and quietly, delivering thorough cleaning without the bulky hassle of traditional vacuums. The ergonomic handle and cordless design make it incredibly easy to maneuver, while the transparent dust container gives instant feedback on just how much it's capturing. It's the kind of tool you didn't know you needed until you experience how fresh your home feels afterward. This mug makes you smile before the first sip. With a biscuit pocket and a playful face, it turns every break into something a little sweeter. Cute, compact, and ready to light up your space. This mini reading lamp clips onto books, desks, or laptops. The flexible neck lets you adjust the angle just right, while the soft, warm glow is gentle on the eyes. Whether you're reading, working, or winding down at night, it adds just the right touch of light, small enough to take anywhere, bright enough to use everywhere. Compact, rugged, and always ready. This 7-in-1 pocket lamp is built for outdoor use and emergency moments. It features a powerful LED light with multiple modes, a strong magnetic base for hands-free use, and a built-in bolt driver for quick fixes. On top of that, it includes a window breaker for safety and a fast USB-C charging port to keep you powered up. The integrated carabiner clip makes it easy to attach to your bag or belt, so light and tools are always within reach, wherever you are. This mini power bank fits right on your keychain and powers your phone when you need it most. No cables, no hassle, just plug in and charge. Compact, fast, and always ready. It's the backup you'll always be glad you brought. Brew tea the easy way with this heat-resistant glass teapot. Designed for elegance, built for everyday comfort. Just add your favorite loose leaves, pour in hot water, and press the button on top. The tea filters through gently, giving you a smooth, clean pour without oversteeping. Its transparent body lets you enjoy the color and clarity of each brew, while the ergonomic handle ensures a steady, confident grip. Whether it's a peaceful morning routine or an evening with guests, this teapot turns every moment into a small celebration of tea, simplicity, and warmth. Looks like a ring, acts like a warning. This stainless steel piece slips on like any other accessory, but hides a razor-sharp edge you can deploy in seconds. Lightweight, discreet, and always with you. Because confidence feels better when it's hidden in plain sight. Release the tension of the day with this wireless scalp massager. Your personal moment of calm wherever you are. Its rotating silicone nodes mimic the gentle kneading of human hands, easing stress from your head, neck, and shoulders with every move. Lightweight and cordless, it fits seamlessly into your routine, whether you're on the couch, at your desk, or winding down before bed. With each gentle rotation, it melts away fatigue and invites a lasting sense of comfort that's hard to put into words. Small in size, big in relaxation, and always within reach when you need it most. Late-night reading just got better. This ultra-thin LED panel softly illuminates the entire page, without spilling light across the room. Lightweight, portable, and gentle on the eyes, it turns any book into a cozy nighttime escape, whether you're in bed, on a plane, or just unwinding after a long day. Meet the 20-in-1 Ultimate Tech Cleaning Tool Set, the all-in-one solution for keeping your favorite gadgets spotless. Inside this sleek portable case, you'll find 20 specialized tools designed to handle every kind of tech grime, from stubborn dust to fine debris. Clean your keyboard, screen, camera lens, earbuds, charging ports, and more, all without the need for sprays or guesswork. With a built-in air blower, soft and hard bristle brushes, screen-safe cloth, precision tips, and even a tool to clean inside headphone compartments, every detail is covered. The compact design makes it perfect for travel, your desk, or your tech drawer. Instead of fumbling for random cloths or using your shirt sleeve, you'll have the right tool for the job every time. Protect your gear, extend its life, and keep everything looking brand new, effortlessly. There's something about this piece that pulls you in, not just because of its shape, but because of what it holds. The quiet comfort of a hug, the kind that stays with you long after the moment has passed. A necklace that doesn't just decorate, but reminds. Who said mugs had to be boring? This one clearly missed that rule. Silly look, serious purpose. It gets laughs before the first sip, and somehow makes coffee even better. Tired of digging through messy toolboxes for the right bit? This all-in-one magnetic mini screwdriver kit solves that in style. From tech repairs to tiny home fixes, it packs everything you need in one sleek case. The magnetic storage keeps each bit organized and easy to access, while the rotatable handle provides a solid, comfortable grip. Every bit is crafted with precision and labeled clearly. No more guesswork, no more mismatches. Whether you're tightening a hinge, swapping out laptop parts, or fixing your watch, there's a tool in here that fits. Lightweight and durable, it's perfect for your desk, your bag, or your car. Clean, compact, and endlessly useful. This is the screwdriver kit you'll actually want to carry everywhere. Turn the rollers, roll out a challenge. Every spin creates a brand new math problem to solve. This math practice question maker roller makes learning feel playful, turning basic arithmetic into an interactive experience. No screens, no distractions, just focused, hands-on fun. Designed for young learners, it helps build confidence with numbers while improving focus and mental agility. Great for reinforcing addition, subtraction, and early math skills in a simple, low-pressure way. It's also a handy tool for quick warm-ups before homework or class. Lightweight and easy to carry, it fits in a pencil case, backpack, or even a pocket. Whether at home, in the classroom, or on the go, it's a clever little helper that keeps curious minds active, one spin at a time. This ring doesn't whisper, it says what you won't. One quick spin and the message is loud, clear, and unapologetic. It's mood, attitude, and steel all wrapped around your finger. Support and rest. Always within reach. This foldable walking chair stick transforms from a stable walking cane into a comfortable seat in seconds. Lightweight yet durable, with anti-slip rubber feet for safety on any surface. Perfect for elderly users, travelers, or anyone who needs a quick break on the go. Easy to fold, carry, and store. No tools needed. Stay independent, stay comfortable, wherever life takes you. Need light exactly where you're looking? These LED reading glasses are the hands-free solution you didn't know you needed. Two built-in lights shine directly from the frame, perfect for reading, sewing, walking in the dark, or fixing small objects. Ideal for nighttime tasks without disturbing others. Battery-powered, lightweight, and comfortable for extended wear. Some mornings call for stronger coffee and a stronger grip to match. This ceramic mug isn't just for sipping, it's for starting the day with attitude. Bold design, solid feel, and just the right amount of rebellion. Because your first cup should feel as sharp as you do. Looking sharp has never been this easy. This sleek handheld steamer fits right in your palm and powers up in seconds. No ironing board, no fuss. Just fill the tank, press the button, and let the continuous steam melt away wrinkles like magic. It works on all your favorite fabrics, from delicate dresses to cotton shirts and even heavier materials. Need a quick refresh before heading out? This tool is your secret weapon for smooth, crisp clothes anytime. Lightweight, portable, and powerful, it's perfect for both home use and travel. No more waiting for the iron to heat up, no more bulky equipment, just fast, easy results. Toss it in your bag, keep it by your vanity, or pack it for a weekend trip. Where modern design meets cozy light. This sleek little lamp blends into any space with its warm, ambient glow. Touch to turn on, touch again to dim. Simple and effortless. Its foldable frame makes it easy to move or hang, giving you light exactly where you need it. When you're heading outdoors or tackling a last-minute fix, the last thing you want is to carry a toolbox. That's where this compact multi-tool steps in, combining multiple essentials into one durable, foldable design. Need a sharp blade? It's there. Serrated edge for tougher cuts? Covered. Screwdrivers, wire cutters, pliers, all integrated seamlessly so you're never caught off guard. The all-black finish isn't just sleek, it's rugged and built to handle serious use without compromise. Each tool locks securely into place with satisfying precision, giving you confidence with every movement. It's small enough to fit in your pocket, yet powerful enough to handle tasks that usually demand a full set of tools. Whether you're camping, hiking, working in the garage, or just like being prepared for anything, this is the kind of gear that becomes a daily essential, the quiet, reliable sidekick that's always ready when you are. It spins, it folds, and when it matters, it locks. Solid stainless steel built to move and made to protect. Quiet, compact, always ready. What starts as a little astronaut figure quickly becomes something else the moment you turn it on. Your ceiling turns into a galaxy, Your walls breathe with stars, and for a few quiet minutes, you're not just in your room anymore. You're floating through space, surrounded by light, wonder, and the kind of calm that only the universe can offer. There's something deeply satisfying about making tea the slow way. Not rushed, not automated, just leaves, hot water, and a little time. This mug understands that rhythm. Its built-in ceramic filter lets you steep with ease, watching the water slowly draw out color and aroma, while the wooden handle rests softly in your hand like it was always meant to be there. It's not just about drinking, it's about the ritual, the pause, the quiet moment carved out of a noisy day. And in that moment, everything feels a little more balanced. This one doesn't hold back, and that's exactly the point. With its playful elephant nose design and breathable mesh, it's not just made to get a laugh, but to feel good all day. Soft, stretchy, and built for comfort, this pair keeps things fun without losing function.